Hello friends, CBSE is likely to conduct a paper of class 12 business studies in first or second week of June. We are pretty hopeful because barring Mumbai, Delhi and few other areas, condition of corona is improving in most part of the countries. Already we have 10 smaller states almost corona free. So today I'll just guide you how to prepare for business studies. You have more than 1 month left. I won't give you detail because detail you have already studied and you have 1 month. I'll just give you brief hints about various chapters, what you have to prepare from each chapter. Today I'll take up first two chapters of business studies. Chapter 1 is nature and significance of management. In this chapter, you should get very clear-cut idea about management, elements and concept of management. Here, expect a story-based or value-based question. Then characteristics of management. Here, you may be given a value-based question and you are required to give which characteristic is being asked. Then objective of management, various organizational objectives, social objective and personal objective. Why management is important for the organization, for achieving group goals, efficiency, dynamic organization, personal objective, developing society, sound organization culture, and nature of management. Here, go through features of management as a science, features of management as art, feature of management as profession, and conclude your own view whether management is a science, art, or a profession, or it has elements of some or all in it. Then level of management. Top level, it looks after the macro policies of organization. Middle level, basically middle level, it is a link between top level and lower level. It conveys the policy of top level to operational level, that is lower level. And lower level management, these are the person who supervise, who interact with the workers. Then functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. Planning, organizing, these are more at top level, whereas staffing, directing, they are more at middle level. Directing and controlling, they are more at lower level. So the functions of management at various level. Coordination and cooperation, how they both work, how they both differentiate. What is the role of coordination and cooperation in an organization? What is the importance of coordination? These are some of the topics which you have to prepare, and prepare value based, where you will be given a story and you have to highlight and point out what is being asked. Chapter 2 is principles of management. In this chapter, you should know the meaning of principles of management, how they have been derived, importance of these management principles, and what is the nature of these management principles. And very important is, you should be able to differentiate between principles of Henry Fayol and F.W. Taylor. Henry Fayol was more concerned with top level, whereas F.W. Taylor, he was more concerned with lower level. Go through all the 14 principles of Fayol very thoroughly, because here a story will be given, a short note can be given, and you have to highlight which principle of Henry Fayol is being applied. Similarly, go through various principles of F.W. Taylor. Same way story will be given and you have to highlight which principle of F.W. Taylor has been applied. Then the principle of scientific management, which the theory was given by F.W. Taylor. Management is by science, not thumb of rule. Harmony, not discord. Then cooperation, not individualism. Development of workers for their greater efficiency and prosperity. And the techniques of scientific management given by Taylor: functional foremanship, standardization, method study, motion study, time study, fatigue study, and differential piece wage system. I will suggest students to go through question paper of past 5 years. Go through all 3 sets. They are on CBSE websites and also various other websites. You will get very fair idea of what your question paper is likely to be, because many a times almost 60-70% question paper is repeated, and you should know what type of answers are expected. Take care, all the best. In next video we will take up next 2 chapters of business studies class 12th. Take care, goodbye, and please do subscribe to channel Commerce and Investment by Saurabh Kumar Gupta. All the best.